Judith ydw I, Prif Weithredwr GIG Cymru. I'm Judith Paget, Chief Executive of the NHS in Wales, and it's a privilege to be able to tell you about a new Welsh language course developed by the National Centre for Learning Welsh. Cymraeg belongs to us all, regardless of where we live in Wales and however much we use it or speak it. Language and care go hand in hand. Speaking Welsh, whether it's just bywyd da or something more, can make a big difference to patients. It can help reassure them at a difficult and anxious time. When individuals access and receive health and social care services, it's often when they are at their most vulnerable, and this is why language is important. Increasing the use of Welsh in the healthcare system is the main aim of Welsh Government's Mwy na Geiriau More Than Just Words policy. At the heart of More Than Just Words is the principle of the active offer. This places responsibility on health and social care providers to offer services in Welsh, rather than the patient or service user to have to request them. The development of the new course also aligns with the aims and implementation of A Healthier Wales, our national plan for health and social care. Our recent refresh of A Healthier Wales, which was published in December 24, includes the commitment to provide person-centred services to ensure that all citizens can receive timely health and care services equitably, regardless of language or communication format they need. When we're thinking about person-centred services, we have to think about language needs of the individual. If you're new to Welsh, it's easier than ever to start learning the language thanks to a package of learning resources, including an online short course and tutor-led Welcome to Welsh sessions. The learning resources have been developed for NHS staff by the National Centre for Learning Welsh and introduce keywords and phrases. They'll give you confidence to use your Welsh right from the get-go. A Welsh tutor is based in every health board, and a range of learning options are available to you wherever you are on your language journey. I started my language journey 12 months ago, and I'm really enjoying developing a new skill. Dechreuais y Ffrangais iaith 20 mis yn ôl ac rwy'n mwynhau datblygu sgil newydd. A little bit of Cymraeg can go a long way, and everyone is welcome to learn and use the language, so I would really urge you to seize this opportunity to take your first steps into Welsh. Diolch am wrando, thank you for listening.